Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these very beautiful crepe paper or duplex paper roses in very quick time with very quick method. I will also show you how to create stems, sepals, leaves, everything with the simple procedure. So let's get started. For this we need some pre-cut handmade templates for the rose, floral wire, scissor, liquid glue, tweezer, orange and green color duplex papers or crepe paper. So I have already created 2 roses with the leaves. So I will show you one rose with the detailed tutorial. So first I am taking one piece of floral wire. This is approx 30 centimeter long. Now I am taking one strip of sap green color crepe paper. Just bend this wire little bit from the top and make a loop. Add little glue and wrap this green color strip around this wire till the end. Add little glue in between to secure it. Now I am taking this orange duplex paper which is yellow from one side and orange from other side. This is 30 by 2 centimeters. And now I am just wrapping this strip around the top portion of the stem. Here I am creating the center bud part for the rose. Add little glue and just shape it from the top like a bud. Just roll it using your fingers by adding little glue. So you will get this shape. Now I have already created one petal shape which measures 4 by 2.5. Now I am taking one piece of same orange color duplex paper. Remember, you need to work always vertically on this paper. You can see these vertical lines. Don't use this horizontally. Otherwise you will not get appropriate stretch for the petal. So always work on this standing line. Now I am just following this template and cutting one petal out of this. Now take your tweezer and just bend it backward like this and stretch the petal. So that will be the one petal. In the same way we need total 6 petals. Now I am joining all 6 petals with each other by adding little glue in the corner. So this is done. Now I have also created 2 more petals of the same size, but this time I have just twisted the top back and forth and stretched it. So we need 2 this type of petals. Now take back your bird. First I am attaching these 2 wrinkled petals. If you want to create bud, you need to stop here Now I am just wrapping this series of petals around this. Now if you want to create small size flower, you need to stop at this point. So that will be the small flower, small rose bud flower. Now I am taking one more template which is little bigger in size. This measures 5 by 4.5 centimeters. Again I am tracing it on my duplex paper. Now take your tweezer and I am just folding from both the sides diagonally backward like this. In the same way do it from other side. So you will get a A shape like this. Again stretch your petal from the center. So petal is ready. You can again fold these parts using your fingers to shape it more precisely. So one petal is ready. In the same way, we need total 6 petals. Now I have created 3 more petals having the same size. But for these petals I have just folded it backward using my tweezer just like we did for the small petals. So 3 will be like this and 6 will be like diagonal fold. Now take back your small flower and first I will connect these 3 back folded petals around this. Here I am showing you medium size rose. If you want to create larger size, you can add more petals to this. Now I will start adding these diagonal folded petals one by one. I am just tucking one petal between each first petal like this so that it will look natural. So the beautiful flower is ready. Now it's dried also. Now I'm proceeding for the sepal. For this I'm taking this green duplex which is 6 by 6 centimeters. I'm here creating 8 petal flower. Just cutting each petal towards the center little bit. Now just roll each petal using your fingers to give a natural look for the sepal. Now take back your tweezer and make a hole. Insert your stamen through this, add little glue and secure your sepal with the flower. So this is done. Now I will show you how to create leaves. For this I am taking this piece and I am just cutting one leaf shape from this. This leaf is approx 3 centimeters in height. So we will get 2 leaves. Now I am just cutting the edges little bit. You know the rose leaves have some sharp edges. So I am just cutting it to give it a natural look. Now I have already wrapped 2 floral wires using green color crepe paper. Now add little glue and connect this wire with the leaf. With the help of the wire, you can just bend your leaf in any direction. Now grab 3 leaves. First I am taking 2 leaves and wrapping again one strip of green color crepe paper around this. Connect your third leaf and just wrap it till the end. Now you can just shape it according to your preference. So bunch of leaves is ready. In the same way I will create another one. Now take back your flower and I will connect this bunch of leaves with this. Wow, it's looking nice. So add little glue and just wrap again one strip of green crepe paper around this. You can also use green floral tape, but the crepe paper will be more pocket friendly for you, so I will prefer using this. So the beautiful rose with leaf is ready. I am attaching one more bunch of leaf with this. You can also add small flower or small bud with the same procedure. Now I will connect all 3 flower bunch together by wrapping again one green strip around this. So the bunch is ready. It's completely dried and my paper rose bunch is ready. Isn't it looking very beautiful? So you can decorate your room by making your handmade flowers. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.